In English. Okay, in English. Speak English. Okay. Oh, more question about history. I don't know. Maybe, maybe why we answer about history about 10,000 year ago, about 50,000 year ago. More question. What is history? For what we need know more about history? But do know many questions. So I try to visit place. So it's Neapolis city. It's the old historic name. This is city. It's so wonderful city. But I try to visit site archaeologic and I try to understand so why the site in this situation, why it's many so without renovation, without so they don't take care, they don't protect the site, so without protection, so many animals there wild, so like dog, homeless dog, what can I say, the black sign for the visitor. Example, you want to visit the site of salting or sites of Memphis. Right there, in the right, in the left. So it's not easy to make a turn. So make visit there. So we try to understand why. More question for about like this, like no. Okay, thank you. Bye.